In this part of video, we will discuss the future of scorpion farming in Pakistan. Imagine Pakistan 10 years from now. Instead of young people wandering through deserts at midnight carrying ultraviolet torches in search of scorpions, imagine modern biotechnology laboratories where zoologists, molecular biologists, pharmacologists, and chemists work together to unlock the secrets hidden inside the scorpion venom. Imagine universities collaborating with pharmaceutical companies to discover new medicines, develop better painkillers, improve treatments for neurological diseases, and create innovative diagnostic tools. This future may sound ambitious, but it is far more realistic than the internet stories promising instant wealth from collecting wild scorpions. The truth is that throughout the history, many life-saving medicines have originated from nature. Plants have given us aspirin and quinine. Bacteria have given us antibiotics. Snake venom have inspired drugs used to treat high blood pressure. Cone snail venom has led to powerful pain medications. So could scorpion venom become another valuable natural resource for medicine? The scientists believe the answer is yes, but now only through years of careful research. Scorpion venom contains hundreds of different molecules. Surprisingly, researchers estimate that many of these compounds remain undiscovered. Each species possesses its own unique chemical fingerprints, and Pakistan's diverse scorpion fauna could contain molecules never before studied by science. Imagine discovering a peptide capable of fighting antibiotic resistant bacteria, or one that helps doctors identify cancer cells more accurately during surgery. These possibilities explain why scientists continue studying venomous animals around the world. However, scientific discovery is only the beginning. Turning a naturally occurring molecule into an approved medicine often requires more than a decade of research. Scientists must first isolate the compounds, determine its chemical structure, understand how it works, test it in laboratory experiments, and evaluate its safety, conduct animal studies where appropriate, complete several phases of clinical trials, and finally obtain approval from regulatory authorities. Along this journey, many promising compounds fail because they are ineffective or unsafe. That is why biotechnology is considered one of the most challenging and expensive scientific industries in the world. Now let's ask another important question. Could Pakistan establish commercial scorpion farms? From biological perspective, the answer is yes. Scorpions can be bred under controlled conditions. Around the world, researchers have successfully maintained colonies for scientific purposes. However, commercial scale farming requires far more than simply keeping scorpion in plastic containers. The animals require carefully controlled temperature, humidity, hiding places, clean water, and appropriate live food. The reproductive biology varies among species, and females often carry their babies on their backs until the young undergo their first molt. Improper handling can result in stress, disease, or cannibalism. Maintaining healthy breeding colonies demands patience, expertise, and continuous monitoring. Another challenge is venom extraction. Unlike collecting honey from bees or milk from livestock, venom extraction requires specialized equipment and trained personnel. The welfare of animals must also be considered. Modern laboratories follow strict ethical guidelines and safety protocols to protect both the researchers and the scorpions. Then there is issue of quality control. Scientific laboratories purchasing venom require material that is pure, uncontaminated, and fully traceable. Every sample must be documented. Researchers need to know exactly which species produced the venom, when it was collected, under what environmental conditions, and how it was processed and stored. Without these records, the venom has little scientific value. This brings us to one of the biggest misconceptions circulating on social media. Many people believe that finding rare scorpion is enough to become wealthy. In reality, knowledge is far more valuable than the scorpion itself. A scientist who understands venom chemistry, molecular biology, genetics, toxicology, and biotechnology contribute far more to this field than someone simply collecting animals from the wild. This is an important message for the young viewers. If you are fascinated by the scorpion, do not just dream of selling them. Dream of becoming the scientist who discovers a new medicine from their venom. Pakistan already has talented researchers working in zoology, pharmacology, microbiology, molecular biology, and biotechnologies. Universities across the country are producing graduates capable of conducting internationally recognized research. What is needed now is stronger collaboration between universities, government agencies, pharmaceutical industries, and biotechnology companies. Imagine research centers where zoologists identify native scorpion species, molecular biologists sequence their genes, chemists analyze venom composition, pharmacologists test biological activity, and medical researchers evaluate therapeutic potential. Such interdisciplinary collaboration could place Pakistan on the global map of venom biotechnology. There are also opportunities beyond medicine. Scorpion venom molecules are being investigated for applications in agriculture, where they may inspire environmentally friendly bioinsecticides. Some peptides exhibit antimicrobial activity that could contribute to the future food preservation technologies. Others may help scientists understand how nerve cells communicate, leading to advances in neurosciences. The possibilities are exciting, but they require scientific investment rather than speculations. Unfortunately, whenever a topic becomes popular, misinformation spreads quickly. Videos promising instant wealth often attract millions of views. So, is scorpion farming in Pakistan a business opportunity or a scam? The answer is neither completely one nor the other. The business opportunity lies in scientific research, biotechnology, pharmaceutical development, and ethical commercial ventures built on evidence and regulation. The scam lies in believing that social media rumors, secret buyers, or promises of instant riches can replace science, legality, and hard work. Pakistan has the biodiversity. Pakistan has the talent. Pakistan has the universities. What remains is investment in research, stronger industry academia collaboration, and a commitment to turning our natural resources into knowledge rather than myths. Perhaps the next breakthrough drug inspired by scorpion venom will not come from the laboratory in Europe or America. Perhaps it will come from a Pakistani scientist. And perhaps that scientist is watching this video today. If you enjoyed this documentary, do not forget to like, subscribe our channel Zoosphere, and share this video with your friends. Let us replace myth with science, curiosity with knowledge, and rumors with research. Because in science, greatest discoveries begins with a simple question: is it really